Hello, everyone. Did you know your eyes are the window to your soul, but they can easily reveal your exhaustion through dark circles? Instead of splurging on expensive cosmetics, why not try 5 natural home remedies straight from your kitchen? No chemicals, no hefty bills, just pure effectiveness. Let's embark on this journey to brighten your eyes from the comfort of your home. Method 1. Ghee Massage. If you're looking for a soothing and nourishing solution for under-eye skin, ghee is your natural elixir. Before bedtime, take a small amount of pure cow ghee and massage gently around your eyes for about 5 minutes. Ghee deeply moisturizes and rejuvenates the delicate skin, gradually fading dark circles with regular use. Try it and experience the difference. Method 2. Cucumber and rose water. Cucumber and rose water are a perfect duo for refreshing tired eyes. Grate a cucumber, extract its juice, and mix in a few drops of rose water. Gently apply this mixture around your eyes and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. The cooling effect of cucumber combined with the rejuvenating properties of rose water not only reduces dark circles, but also brightens your eyes. Method 3. Aloe Vera and Almond Oil. Aloe vera is a superstar for soothing skin, while almond oil contains natural retinol that revitalizes it. Take 1 teaspoon of fresh aloe vera gel, add a few drops of almond oil, and mix well. Apply this mixture under your eyes and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with cool water. This is a perfect remedy to nourish the under-eye skin and reduce dark circles from within. Method 4. Yogurt and turmeric. Straight from your kitchen, turmeric and yogurt can turn into a highly effective brightening treatment. Mix 1 tablespoon of yogurt with a pinch of turmeric to create a paste. Apply it evenly to the dark under-eye area, leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse off. Turmeric reduces inflammation, while yogurt brightens and hydrates the skin for a naturally radiant look. Method 5. Cold milk. Cold milk can be your best companion for tired eyes. Soak a cotton ball in cold milk, gently place it on your eyes, and relax for 10 minutes. The cooling and hydrating effects of milk not only reduce puffiness, but also provide instant relaxation, making your eyes look vibrant and refreshed. Remember, your eyes not only reflect your health, but also your mood and lifestyle. Don't forget to care for them using these simple home remedies. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends to spread these wonderful tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.